Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD. So what we are going to discuss today is something related to internships and placement. We all know that it's a season for placements and internships, and major company notify you time to time regarding to that, right? I'm damn sure that you have focused on some particular company and waiting for the interview, but maybe like something not very much confidence like how the interview process going on, right? What are the procedure, what are the steps for a particular company? So today's topic is related to that, and that we will discuss with the help of Geeks for Geeks archive, like what it is, how to use it, and how to use it in an efficient manner to get aware of a thing and to become something friendly related to particular interview, right? So I guess not to waste your time and directly jump into the topic, so let's go. Welcome back. So before moving on to a particular topic, let me give you a quick glimpse about what actually is GFG archive if you don't know in that case. So basically GFG archive contain a post of a latest interview experience well written by the candidate who have already experienced that or have given interview in that particular company. That's it, right? So basically I'm damn sure that you have focused on particular company, right? So my dream company are something like Adobe, Amazon and Microsoft. So I just need to write here GFG archive Adobe, right? Just click the link and just move here the first link, Adobe archive. Okay, so now after reading many posts, I will conclude here that I will actually conclude the what kind of experience, what kind of procedure of interview occur there. So let's move on to the first one, what actually it is, right? So here we get experienced candidate who have already given interview. Okay, then let's read it. What, like, it's a demand experience of 1.5 year, so that's it. So round 1 is a bit technical round. Here we get a kind of question which I have asked there, right? You can read it, ठीक है, and you must need to read it, right? आपको ये read करना ज़रूरी है. Okay, and the best thing I like about GFG archive is that you get the solution for that question if you don't know in that case, right? And after the, like if like let's read this post. So round 1 यहाँ पे एक technical round है definitely, and here 5 questions have been asked, and after that we have round 2 again technical and 4 questions have been asked, and round 3 is a managerial and technical round. So basically they will discuss about the current role, projects and all those things, right? And here he get rejected, oh so sad. So let's move on to the second one. Here it demand 4-year experience. So technical round 1 hour, that's it, right? And here we have a link what a kind of questions have been asked there, and second technical round of 1 hour, and after this round he got rejected, oh again rejection. So let's click on a link which of a candidate who got actually selected, right? So I guess he may be selected, yeah, he's selected, that's it, oh my god. So okay, so again round 1 technical round. So what kind of questions have been asked there? Here is a solution if you don't know in that case, right? And 2 questions have been asked there. Second, system design, okay, and it's a kind of questions have been asked there. Round 3 manager round, again a technical question have been asked there, and it's a question for system design. Then round 4, and finally he got a call from HR. So I have bookmarked some of interview experience of Microsoft, so let's read that also. So okay, so this one is for a Microsoft interview experience for ML engineer 2020. So you will know like what kind of procedure interview process have been for ML engineer. So okay, so let's read this process. So interview process is like week 1 Wednesday, that's it, he received an email from Microsoft recruiter, and that's it. And week 2 Wednesday he got a call from another recruiter, and okay, and here the interview day, the main things start. So how the things work on a Microsoft. So round 1, so again data structure and algorithm, the must part, right? And it's a round 1, and question 1, 2 questions have been asked there, right? And the thing is that you got rejected in every round, something like that, आप छट जाते हैं, ऐसा है something is इसका process, right? And here is a question, you can get the link also, right? And round 2 system design LLD, right? And what kind of questions have been asked there, and like solutions also, and round 3 the hiring manager, resume and experience and all those things. And week 4 he got selected. Congratulations to him. And here is his preparation strategy, so you can check it out, right? And let's focus on another one, 3-year experience. Okay, this one is a really a great interview experience, right? I will provide the link of it, don't worry. So here it demands 3 experience and difficulty level is expert. Oh my god. So basically round 1 online coding round, ये basically just एक eligible round था, right? And it's a placement drive, and if you score that more than 50%, you will be invited for the placement interview, placement drive. So here is a placement drive, started at 9 a.m. on Friday. And after that there is a round 2 technical interview, round 1. Okay, so basically this 2 questions have been asked there, and here is a solution if you don't know in that case. And round 3 again technical round, and those rounds are eliminating round, right? And round 3 discussing on HLD of my projects and all those things, designing an API using Java and Spring JPA. And like 3 questions, we have 3 questions. After that we have again a technical interview round. Again here we have 2 questions on LLD and data structures and all those things. And round 5 the hiring manager round. So first 3 technical round are completed on Friday as part of a drive. You can read it, I will provide the link. And okay, there is a design questionnaire also. Oh my god. So this is a complete procedure, right? And after that the next day he got a call, and yeah, they're very fast, Microsoft, yeah. So they got a call from recruiter that he have been selected, that's it, right? So basically you can focus here, whatever company you are focused, try to read the maximum interview experience you can, so that you can aware of a things, and that become nearly easy for you to sit in an interview and become something confident, right? You can, as also you can just check for Amazon also, right? And let's check the Amazon also. We have Amazon archives, that's it. Okay, so here we have Amazon interview experience for SD1, easy interview. No, difficulty level is easy, I can't actually say it easy. So here is a interview experience, right? The thing is that you got the solution also, you can see if you don't know. Round 1 2 questions, then again round 2 again a technical question, round 3 3 question. Here is a link for the solutions, and all the best. Okay, I don't know he selected or not. He got a call and I am not shortlisted for upcoming round. Okay, that's it. So you need to make the balance between the win and loss, right? And interview experience, like I am focusing on Amazon, so I will read the maximum post I can, so that I can like conclude a basic criteria about that company, or like process about that company. So I guess you have got something like knowledge how to use it. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and share it with the maximum candidates so that they can extract the maximum output from it. So thank you, bye.